acid, pH is from 0 to 7, and they're positive charge hydrogen ions. For base, they're from 7 to 14, and they're hydroxide ions. So the stronger the chemical, the more it dissociates. Okay, when naming acids, you need to add hydrogen in the front, use the acid naming chart, and balance. For base, you need to add hydroxide at the end and balance. To complete the neutralization process, for example, if your dog's blood is too acidic, you need to get him medicines that could increase its basicity.